So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and restore game progress on your particular iPhone. Now, doing this is actually fairly basic and it really doesn't take too much time at all. So to get started, what you're going to want to do is you want to first understand that for a lot of games out there, literally just by going through and reinstalling that particular game or just installing that game in the first place, will actually pull up that game's progress and the data within that game. So for example, if you load up Call of Duty Mobile or if you're loading up a particular game, all you're really going to have to do is re-download that game from the App Store, and you should be able to see that game's file and all that progress that you made within that game when you log in. Now, if you cannot log into the game, that's completely different, but there's a very high likelihood where you can go through and just literally log into that same exact game once you re-download it, and that's really all you're going to have to do, and it really is a pretty basic process. So try doing that, try downloading that game first of all from your particular App Store, and try seeing if that ends up fixing the problem. For a lot of people, that's probably all you're going to have to do. That's exactly what I recommend doing in this particular case as well. Now, if you do that and for some reason that's still not working, another thing you may want to try doing is seeing if you have any of that cloud data stored inside of your cloud data. So what you can do here is you can make your way over into your settings app of your particular iPhone, just like this. You can scroll down into general, which is right here. Now, actually, you don't want to go here. You want to go into your, application data, whatever up here. You want to go into iCloud, and you just want to make sure if you have anything saved into your iCloud account. You can click into your iCloud backup right here, and you should get a breakdown of everything backed up into your iCloud account. If you have backups available, you can try backing up your data into that particular game or see if you can restore from a backup. That's another option you have. Ultimately, those are kind of the two main things you can do to restore game progress on your particular iPhone though. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.